Hello, what's up mga kaibigan? First car wash here in America. So this is the instruction. Car in neutral, feet off pedals, hands off wheel. I have already the American accent. So nice. Feet off pedals. Let the car wash do it for you. And let the machine do it for you. Woo! You only sit. Oh, nice. Oh, there's a green one. So amazing, man. Ah, car wash. Ah. What can you say, baby?
Wow.
Oh, man. So nice in here. Oh, I can see anything. It's so amazing. Let's open this one, James. Don't touch the button, okay? Okay. Oh no, we can do something in here, baby. All right. So if you came from the Philippines, for sure you are not yet familiar with this. Ang sarap mabuhay basta first timer. Kahit na ignorante, bahala mo diha. Tanawa nang sa akong misis, ang nang sa akong baby. We are here currently sa America, Virginia. May accent na ako na Americano.
Car wash every day.
Car wash everyday ni guys, kay mahal ang bayad, 20.
30.
Oh, 30 di ay. Car wash everyday, okay. So, oh my goodness. Look at this one. Again and again. Oh no. There's a water spray in here. Hello, what's up mga kaibigan? Rinig niyo po ba mga kaibigan ang matinding pressure mga kaibigan? Natanggal niya po kaibigan ang pressure. Ang dirty. Double check na walang tubig na papasok. Double check. Oh no mga kaibigan, grabe po ang ulan mga kaibigan. Uy, car wash lang pala. Hello. So dito sulit na kahit pa paano. $30 unlimited car wash for 1 month. Imagine. Ceramic. Oh, maybe we need to choose this one someday. Let's first try this one, the $29.99.
Unlimited for 1 month.
Unlimited for 1 month. Then let's go vacuum ourselves. Oh no. Oh, the blue one. Oh no, the blue one. Oh no. Uy! Hi! Ang cute-cute ng spray. The blower. Oh no, the blower's already here. The blower. This is the blower. Oh no, the blower is here. The blower. Then I signal the drying, drive.
Yep. Yep. There's no line.
Driving na tayo guys, driving. Then go here for vacuum. And can you hold this one?
Oh, what is this place come from?
Can we hold this one for
Why this is so mad? It's so
the
crazy,
vacuum?
man. What is this? Are we gonna be spray of
Then let's park.
There's a vacuum.
There's a vacuum for you to use guys. Okay, that's all. Thank you and goodbye. Signing off. Wow.
Wow, this car is all made